Good morning. This is Arvindan, register number UR16CS136. Here I am going to show you the second experiment, loops and decision. So our first question is, write a C++ program to find the largest number among three numbers using if else and nested if else statements. So here is my program. Inside the main, I am taking four variables of float type. The first variable is to take the first number, B is to take the second number, and C is to take the third number. So we are taking the if-else conditions. In the first condition of if, I am taking if A is greater than B and also A is greater than C, then it should print A is the greatest. Otherwise, if B is greater than C, then it should print B as the greatest. Otherwise, in the else condition, I am taking that directly C is the greatest. So here in the first condition, it will check whether A is greater than the other two. If it is true, then A will be printed. Otherwise, if B will check whether it is greater than C, then B will be printed. Otherwise, C will be printed. So let's check how this runs. So enter the first number like 10, second number 20, third number 30. So here is our output, 30 is the greatest. Now let's go to the second experiment. Write a C++ program to check whether input alphabet is a vowel or consonant using switch case. So here's my program for it. Inside the main, I am taking a character variable called input. So we are asking the user to enter an alphabet which goes inside the input. Now this input is selected as a choice for the switch case loop. Here we are taking some cases, like if the case is A, E, I, O, U all in capital letters, and also A, E, I, O, U all in small letters also. If any of these cases which is being inputted by the user, then what it should print vowel and it should break. It should come out of the loop. Otherwise, if other than these letter, if the user inputs any other character, then it should give consonant. So let's check how this output looks like. So it's asking for enter alphabet. If I'm entering P, then it will show consonant. Again, if I am entering E, then it will show vowel. Now let's go to the third experiment of it. Given an integer n, perform the following conditions action. If n is odd, then print weird. If n is even and is in inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. If n is even and in inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. And if n is even and greater than 20, then print not weird. Let's check how the coding looks like. So here's my code. Inside the main, I'm taking a variable n. So we are asking the user to enter a number which goes inside the n. So here are some conditions. The first condition which I have given is if n modulus 2 is equal to 0. This is a condition for the even. To check whether the number is an even or not, we have to apply this condition. And also if it is n is greater than or equal to 2 and n is less than or equal to 5. If n is between 2 to 5 and also if n is even, then we have to print not weird. Otherwise, this is the second condition. If n is n modulus 2 equal to 0, this is for to check whether the number is even again. So if the number is even and also if the number is greater than 6 and less than 20, greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to 20, that means in the range of 6 to 20, and also if the number is even, then it should print weird. Otherwise, if the number is greater than 20, then directly it should print not weird. Except these three conditions, if you are inputted some other condition, then it should print directly weird. So that is given in last else condition. So let's check how this input looks like. Enter a number 20. Weird. So n is equal to 20. So see out weird. It came weird. So that's all for this exercise. Thank you. Again, my name is C. Arvindan. Register number UR16CS136. Thank you so much.